And the great thing about these lower back spasm relief tips I'm going to give you in this video is that you can do them right in the comfort of your own home. You know, there's nothing worse than getting that cramping spasm in the lower back and you're just in need of some quick relief and you don't know what to do. So in this video, I want to give you 3 great tips that you can do right at home to relieve that lower back spasm and give you that lower back spasm relief that you're looking for. So follow me into this video and I'll show you these tips right now. Hey, it's Dr. Walter Salubro. I'm a chiropractor in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. And this channel and my chiropractic office is all about helping people get out of pain, back pain related to degenerative conditions of the spine, conditions like disc bulges, sciatica, poor posture, scoliosis, so they can enjoy a better quality of life, not just now, but for the long run. And what we do is we provide non-surgical corrective care methods in our office, chiropractic corrective care methods that have helped many people get through chronic spinal conditions like back pain, neck pain, scoliosis, posture problems, disc issues, and numbness, tingling in the arms and legs. So in this video, I'm going to give you these 3 great tips that you can do at home to relieve lower back spasms. Let's get right into it. Okay, tip number 1, strategy number 1. What you're going to do is you're going to alternate ice and heat. So back spasms can be very, very painful. First thing you want to do is numb that pain. Bring that pain down with an ice pack. Grab an ice pack from your freezer if you got one, or anything cold from your freezer. Wrap it around with a lukewarm moistened towel or paper towel so it's not shocking to your skin, and place it on that lower back area where that lower back spasm is. Do that for 10 minutes, maybe even 15 minutes. Then take a break for about 40 minutes and then do the same with a heating pad. You wrap that heating pad around that little towel as well so it doesn't burn your skin, and then you put it on that lower back spasm area that's really painful. So the ice will help numb that pain, give you that instant relief. Later on, the heat will help to calm those spasmed tight muscles, which will also feel good as well. Okay, so alternating ice and heat. Ice for 10 to 15 minutes, take a break for about 40 minutes, and then heat for 10 to 15 minutes, and then do that cycle maybe 2 or 3 times as needed until that back spasm and that discomfort is relieved. Okay, tip number 2 for lower back spasm relief is an Epsom salt bath. I used to be a marathon runner. I used to get lots of cramps in my legs and hips and lower back after my marathon, and one of the things that did the great relief for my lower back and my hips and my legs, that muscle aches and spasms I used to get after running long distances, was taking an Epsom salt bath. An Epsom salt bath will really, especially a hot, warm bath, will really help relieve that spasmed lower back area and help relax your entire musculature and muscles, and overall your overall body will be relaxed. So it'll really give you plenty of relief for that lower back spasm with when you're soaking in an Epsom salt bath. So you can go pick up some Epsom salts at your local store. Any big box store or local store will sell them, and you get a drop of a hot bath to your comfort, of course, and then pour in 1 or 2 or even 3 cups of Epsom salt in there, and then stir it around and then soak in there for 10 to 15 or 20 minutes, and you'll notice it's going to really, really help your lower back as well for that lower back spasm relief. And the third tip now to get that lower back spasm relief is an exercise called child pose. Now, you may have seen this before, this exercise, you may have heard of it, but it's a great exercise you can do either on the floor or on your bed at home to stretch out your back and really get relief of that lower lumbar, that lower back spasm. So how you do it is like this. You get on the floor or on your bed, whatever is easier for you. I'll use my chiropractic table here. Get onto your knees, fold your knees down like this, and you're gonna basically lie forward and stretch your arms out. All the way out like this, and just let your body fall into a relaxed position. And stay there for a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, however much time you need to get that relief of that lower lumbar, lower back spasm. And you can stretch out your arms even further, let your whole body just settle and relax, take some deep breaths while you're in there. It will really help. Now, the next time you experience a lower back spasm, you need lower back spasm relief strategies, give these a try. Let me know which one you find the most useful, which one you're going to use first. And as well, when there's low back pain spasms, sometimes it can be related to other problems of the lower back. Maybe it's a structural problem of the spine. That's what we work with as a corrective care chiropractor. I'm here in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. And as well, there may be other conditions like either sciatica or maybe an underlying disc condition. So I have some great stretches for you to continue on with this. And if you just go right over here at this video right here, you'll see a great stretch for the lower back and for any sciatic relief that you may need. Go ahead and watch that right now.